Hey Subbies, welcome back to YouTube channel. It's your girl Gisha _ everything, and today I am back with another video. So before I get straight into this video, I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post another video. Also, yes, that's all. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna do a reaction to Vanny Fabiola. That's the way it is. Yes, so I've reacted to her in the last video. If you haven't watched that one, go ahead watch that one. I did react to that one, and now I'm gonna react to another one of her going to sing. So I'm so excited, yo. Like, her voice so beautiful. So this is gonna be my second time listening to her and so forth, because yeah. So 1, 2, 3, go. That sounds like, wow.
I can read your mind and I know your story. I see what you're going through. Yeah, it's enough big time and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you. Don't surrender, 'cause you can be in this thing. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart left without, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. When you question me for the simple answer, I don't know what you say, no, but it's nice to see if we stick together, you're gonna find the way. So don't surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart left without, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is.
my god. Nope. This is good. No, this is good. This is good. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So you guys get my video. Yes. Also, comment down below. Comment down below. What video you want me to react to next? Because if you don't know, I read all comments, and yeah, I read all comments and I react to all videos that you tell me. So yes. So yeah, so comment down below and I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. And yes, if you enjoy this good music, give it a huge thumbs up. Huge thumbs up. Yes. And yeah, I guess that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.